Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 51. The instructions here says that we should look out for the options that contains the given phonetic symbol, and the phonetic symbol here is called I. This is what we call diphthong sound. So we want to find out the word in the list of options that has this particular sound. Option A is pronounced as re. Then option B, it is pronounced as eyes. Option C, it is pronounced and transcribed as while option D is pronounced and transcribed as fuel. So by this transcription we find out that the I sound is in option B, which is eyes. Therefore option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.